I'm going to be organising all my fidgets, this is all of them, into this. As you can see, I've already put some stuff that my fidgets came in, and this one homemade epic fail tinfoil fidget thing. So, anyway, I think we should get started. First I'm going to start by putting all of my different categories of fidgets, so like all my puppets and dimples in a pile. So, got these. I'll put the pile here. Don't know if you guys can see it. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all the puppets. And now I'm going to put all the squishies, so foam squishies, foam squishies, empty squishies, stress balls all in one area together. This is a finger puppet, but I think I'm going to count it as a stress ball / squishy, since it is squishy. Any more? Oh yeah, this is a light, but so it does work. Hi, but it's got like a squishy inside. So I've got all those, and now I think I'm going to do like the fidgets. I don't have enough to make a whole drawer off. So I'll get all my marble and mesh and marble and mesh and marble. I got these. Yep, 6. Then I've got another 6 of these pop tubes. How much I love pop tubes. I love them. So I've got 3 bold colours and 3 pastel, and the same colours, just pastel. I'm going to put all those together, since somewhere I do have something to put them all in together. Maybe, yeah, in here. So I think I might put those in right now. So I got all my pop tubes. And then I got all my marble and mesh and marble, however you like to say it. So those are all together. Oh, I have another stress ball. So I have these spike balls.
Nice.
And I'm going to put all the spike balls, like all the washable things, together. So, oh wait, I count these as squishies. So all the spike balls, all the flower coolie things, another squishy, all the mochis, and I'm going to put these in with it. So I'm putting that pile just here at my feet. So got these and these. So many. I've got a lot of washable stuff. Okay. I got these and another squishy. It is a Game Over squishy. And since it's getting a bit crowded here, I think I'll start putting stuff in. So, I think I'll put the puppets at the top. So I got 2 puppet balls. 1, 2. I got 1 rainbow circular puppet, 1 hard shell, hard shell, and I got this black dimple, which is like really good. It's a fidget spinner too, as I showed you. I got this puppet fidget spinner, which is nice. I've got this one pop block, which my friend Scarlett gave me. I told you about this in my other video called Do I Like Fidgets. Then I've got this mini puppet, and it's a unicorn, which is really cute. Then I've got this drink one, which is really nice. And I got this drink one, which I want to pop right now. It's not a very good puppet, I must say. Yeah, because like the pops don't stay down. But anyway, put that in. Then I've got this really loud square puppet. Loud. A dimple. I really like this dimple. And this one cutout pop bit. So, wait, it bounced out. Okay, now I'm going to put all these away. Then in here, I think I'll put squishies, since I really like squishies. Oh, here it is. This is basically a Nerf dart that like you couldn't shoot anymore, so I cut it and made like, you know, when you're for a pencil, you can put that on there, or you can just squish it, so that can go in. And then wait, make sure it goes in there. Then I've got this like empty squishy thing that came off another fidget. I've got this cupcake squishy. Got this really slow rising squishy, and I've also got its like friend pet thingy. I got this Game Over squishy from Smiggles. This really fast rising squishy and bouncy actually. I've got, well actually this isn't a fidget, it's a dive toy, but it's bouncy and squishy, so. And then I've got 3 pineapples, so I got this one, got this one, and I got another one. Wait, did that just pop? No, good. I've got this Hot Wheels car. I've got this poop squishy, which I love. I've got this squishy, this stress ball, and like the slime's chunky, so it's so nice when you squish it. Got this unicorn pen. Like that's what it wants you to do. Got this one. Hello. It's like squishy on the inside, so it has a squishy. I've got these blown down uni. They're like a fun like thing where you can make balloons. So that can go in. I've got this pink one that can go in, and I've got this green one that has a giant hole somewhere. Yeah, that can go in. And I've got this finger puppet, which I count as squishy. Got this flippy octopus that I count as a squishy. And I've got this really cute mini, so that can go in. And that's one's done. It's heavy. Then I've got this one, which will do some miscellaneous fidgets, like my tangle, which is gonna make nice. Okay. I've got my looper, which is really fun. I don't know if you guys know what it is, but yeah. I've got this. Yeah. Got this wacky track, which silent. Got this louder wacky track. I've got this snake, which looks a bit like a rooster to me right now, or a dog. And I've got this snake, which my cousin made like this, which is much easier since it's smaller. And I could never make anything like that. Oh, this is supposed to be in the squishies. Okay, put that in later. Then I have these marbles. Don't really know. just a thing of marbles that hasn't been opened. Then I've got 1, 2, 3 pea pods. So I got this one where the face has been rubbed off. I've got this one where it just doesn't have a face. Got this one where it also doesn't have a face. And I've got this one that's broken. So yeah, sad times. Oh yeah, let's go in there. I'm gonna count. No, this will be in there. I've got a slinky. I've got this. It's like a puzzle ball, but like you have to take it apart and put it back together. It's impossible. I don't recommend buying one. Then I've got this football spinner. It's still spinning!
Whoa!
I got this football spinner, still spinning. And I got this football spinner, still spinning. Then I've got this fidget pad, really fun, gaming in class. Then I've got this fidget pad, well it's actually a fidget cube, but then I've got this fidget ball thingy, and I've got this puzzle ball. That's the name. Wait, wrong in the roll. Okay, nothing's in the wrong hole. Good. Then I've got this one, which is like a really easy version of a Rubik's Cube. Yeah. So, yeah, easy. I've got 2 snappers, so I've got this circular one, and I've got this one which you can also use to strengthen your pinky and your thumb, because you never really use your pinky or thumb in a snapper, but yeah. And it is really hard to snap. Then I've got this other slinky. I've got this, it's called a spider bot, so basically its legs are wacky tracks, and then it spins if you can get its legs to not stop it. Let me see if I can get it to do that. Epic fail. And I've got this mini fidget spinner. Oh, it's not spinning anymore. And a Rubik's Cube, which is really hard to move. And I'm not messing this up. Then I will put these in with it. They were the pop tubes and marble and mesh and marble. So, yeah. So let me just put those away. And I will also just get one squishy. Was there any others, guys? Didn't think so. Yes, got it in. And I've got this, which in here I will put all my washable fidgets. So then I can just like pour wash and soap in, wash them. So I'll put all those in, and then I'll put my slimes and putty and stuff there, since you have to put your slimes and putty and that sort of stuff on the bottom, because otherwise if you put it on the top or something, it could like get too heavy and do something bad to where you store everything. So yeah. But anyway, that's all for today. Bye guys, hope you have a